Hello, this is Fabian de Santiago, and I'm just gonna do a brief demonstration of my code. So first, I'm just gonna start describing my code. I just decided to do a portfolio website in order to demonstrate or show my skills and my projects. So as you can see here, I just have I am using CSS to implement the styling. I am also using JavaScript to implement the styling as well. I also used different libraries to in order to insert certain icons, changing the color of my website. So I just added so helpful comments, so it is easier to find a specific part of the project. I'm just gonna run my project, and it's gonna be a better demonstration. So as you can see, I have my information. Of course, I can edit everything here, since yeah, it's this part. I also added like I said, the external libraries. So I used free icons to improve the styling. This kind of a interactive image of myself, and I also added different sections of my website. So you can see this transition, and it's talking about myself. Of course, I didn't add something relevant, but I can change that later. Something here in the future. Latest projects, I did not add my projects, but of course I can add them, my relevant projects, and this could be a great information. And the contact sections, you can see I can tap here, but yeah. And what I like is here, for example, this icon, it has functionality, and also I can do services. It's displaying. I also implemented the size. So as you can see, as I increase the size or decrease, it's going to be changing, and it's not affecting the styling. But yeah, like I said, I just added a bunch of I added the CSS, and I also edited the different sections of my my project, and also implemented JavaScript. I also added comments here to find easier the different sections. But yeah, so basically this is my project. I was learning a bunch of CSS and also JavaScript. It was so helpful. I consider this is going to be a great project for my future career. I think I can implement this with a resume and cover letter, and it's gonna be so helpful. But yeah, this is my project. Thank you for your time.